friends! Welcome to Chichi Kids Learning TV, where we learn, play, and have fun together. Soft snowy piles gather under their feet. They're starting a snowman with laughter so sweet. They roll the big base through the frosty glow, working together as winter winds blow. A medium snowball lifted with cheer. They stack it with care as Christmas draws near. A small snowy head rolled smooth and round. They place it atop with a joyful sound. Coal eyes sparkle with the twinkling light. They cheer as the snowman begins to look right. A carrot nose placed, gentle and bright. It stands like a beacon in snowy delight. Stone smile shaped in a curve so wide. Joy fills the air as they beam with pride. Stick arms added with mittens so fun. Their frosty friend looks ready to run. A scarf wrapped warm and a hat set tight. Their snowman shines in the Christmas night. Buttons secured as they clap with glee. Their perfect snowman stands proudly and free. Great job learning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.